Do you feel stuck? Tired of wanting to do things, but never actually doing them? You're not lazy, you're just unmotivated. And there's a real reason behind it. Let's break it down, and more importantly, fix it. Sometimes you're simply overwhelmed. Too many tasks, too many goals. Your brain gets confused, so it does nothing. The solution? Break everything into tiny steps. One small action is all it takes to build momentum. Other times you lack a clear purpose. Without a strong why, every task feels pointless. Ask yourself, why do I want this? Why does it matter? When your purpose is clear, motivation follows naturally. Then there's the comfort zone. It feels safe, but it's secretly draining your energy. Growth only happens when you challenge yourself. Do something uncomfortable every day, even if it's small, and you'll reignite that spark. You might also be burned out. Constant hustle with no rest will leave anyone empty. It's okay to pause. Rest isn't lazy, it's fuel. Recharge and come back with twice the power. And here's the truth no one talks about. Motivation doesn't come first, action does. Waiting to feel inspired keeps you stuck. Just start, even if you don't feel like it. Motivation will catch up. Feeling unmotivated doesn't mean you're broken. It means you're human, but now you know how to fix it. If this video helped you, give it a like, hit subscribe, and keep growing with Mind Flare, where your better self begins.